we are going to do this Amazon unboxing. I am so excited. We have a few more boxes coming, but we're going to open these right now because I'm going to need this in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's see. Y'all, I got my knife here. Hope everyone is enjoying their Shabbat so far. And me and Coco, of course, we doing our altar work all day. I love I am Hebrew, and this is one of our celebrations. So we have celebrations actually every day. Yes, so blessed to know my heritage and to celebrate it. Celebrate me. Celebrate who I am and not who someone else is. Okay, so y'all, I needed some more. Y'all know Coco is ready to get her hand on this paper. Yeah, they put it in bubble wrap for me. Okay, y'all know one of my favorites. This is the African Pride. Let me bring this camera with some. It's the African Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula, Olive and Tea Tree Oil, Growth Oil Treatment. I love this. It works perfect with my hair. And I will be doing a wash day tonight. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair while I'm taking a shower. I think that's easiest, you know. Knock it out, knock it out. And let's see what this is. Oh, yes, y'all. I'm so excited about this one. Of course, and we got that Amazon Prime, y'all. I am so excited about this. I saw. Okay, yes. I am so glad these are coming. I know this is what this is. Okay, we'll put that in there. And this is the sole purpose why I purchased what I purchased. If y'all watched my previous video, which I hope you have, if you haven't, you can always go back and watch it. Okay, so I need more space. I had to clear all of this. Let me bring this down some so y'all can see. Because y'all don't need to see me, y'all need to see the box. Okay, y'all. So yes, I am so glad I ordered this. And I saw someone on one of the social media platforms, and it was so neat, it is so cool. So if you are really serious about being a businesswoman and social media being your business, you need all these. You need everything from your ring light. You can use your cell phone camera. That's what I use. But there's other accessories like your cell phone holder, so you could catch all of the angles. And so that should be in here. Yes, it's in here. I had to get it. So this is the one that you clip on your sun visor, and it will record you at every angle. You know how you want to be recorded when you're pulling in and when you're going out. Yes, it records. It's 360. I had to get this. And this is by it just says sun visor. Anyway, yes. Okay, so what you do, you clip this on your sun visor. Yeah. So I'm going to try and clip it on my passenger sun visor. I am so excited about this. We're going to use this today, y'all. And because I like to spend our Sabbath we spend the inside, we do our altar work inside, and then when the sun comes out and after I have walked Coco, because I walked Coco this morning around 6:30. She's an early bird like me, and so we had her morning walk done by 8. And so I watched a little content, and I said, well, let me go ahead. Okay, y'all, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is where you clip. This is where you clip, so it's gonna be easy to put on. This is the clip right here. This is the clip where you clip it onto your, sun visor. Okay, how do I take this? Here we go. I want to pot then. Do I need to unloosen this? What's moving? This has to come out. Okay, we'll figure, because this has to come out, because this is going to screw into this part right here. This is, of course, where your phone goes. So we'll figure that out. We'll figure it out in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this back together. And I got this for like 10, a little over 10. Or probably $14. I wanted a nice quality one, so I went on and got one for like $14. Okay. Oh, I think. Okay, there it is, y'all. I knew it could have been hard. Okay, so y'all, here it is. You press these two, this and this at the same time, and it releases it. Okay. Y'all, I knew it couldn't be too hard. I knew it. Okay, so I am excited about this. Okay, and then we're going to put this. Y'all know where, no, this is where the cell phone goes. And so let's see. Yes, so I have so many. Oh, I need to open this. I have so many gadgets, I would say, for recording. And now you snap this like that. No, I'm going to let's see if I can snap. And then screw it down. There you go. Yes, I am loving it. Y'all, I just got my Google AdSense pin in the mail. So y'all know I went and got me a nice gold frame and framed it. Every accomplishment, every goal I accomplish is a celebration. Okay, now, this is so cool. It's so cool, y'all. Okay, so remember, and so you can turn this all kinds of ways, however you need to adjust this, your phone. See? Okay, now I'm gonna twist this a little more, and then anytime you want to move this part, so just make sure. And then this. Okay, so you have this part to move this. You have this part to move this. Let's see. Yep, there's the 360 right there. Let me do it straight though. Got 360. Okay, so I'll show y'all once we get in the car. But I'm excited about this. I am. So if y'all don't have this, y'all need to go and get you one. It will make your content so much fun. I'm going to put this also, y'all, on my Amazon storefront, okay? Yeah. And it's very, let's see, compactable. Let's see. Yeah, cause that goes, yeah, very compactable. And you could not just only, can you use this on your sun visor, but it can clip onto anything. Say you're in the kitchen cooking and you want to do a cooking video, and y'all know I love to cook, so this is going to be perfect. I'll be able to clip this on my counter and it will follow me. Okay. So excited. So y'all invest in one for yourself. Now, the last thing I got, I had to get some more of these, y'all. I had to get, let me, get more of these. Do y'all know what this is? Think. Do you know? So, y'all know I have upgraded my fragrance collection. And so, I had to get some more wall shelves for it. And so I ordered these. I think it's 12 in this one. Yeah. And they're not hard to put in. Not hard to put in at all. I love them. And I got the clear ones. I got the clear ones. Yeah, I think this is a pack of 12. And it comes with, you know, all the goodies, all the screws. Here's the screws and everything. And I'm sure they normally have a wrench. There's no wrench in there. I got a wrench though. Because y'all know they normally will put a little, I'm going to make sure everything, oh. I don't know what that is, y'all. Y'all, I don't know what that is. We'll see. To make sure I got everything on there. And this is by Lift Wit. Okay, Lift Wit. So I'm going to put everything in the description box. And I'm going to also post this on my Amazon storefront. Okay, and y'all follow me on my Amazon storefront. I'm going to put the link to my Amazon storefront also in the description box. Y'all, I love these. I'm sure these got the same orange. Yeah. Because see, I got some right here. You know, so I love these. And they're not hard at all to put together. So we may be doing this morning. Because I bought, I think I went to, when I went to Target, y'all, I love home fragrances. I love body fragrances. I just love fragrances. And so I got quite a few because I needed it to upgrade my perfumes because there's so many new ones out. And y'all see I only had just a little bit of the ones that I already have. That I've had a good 3 years. And so, yes, I hit the Target Beauty Bar. Very nice. Very nice. They have all types of fragrances and scented candles as well. Okay, so yeah, I like these. I like them. Okay, so we might be doing this morning. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, so thank you all. Thank you all for watching. And I want, what is, y'all, Coco is tearing up some paper. I'm gonna she tearing up some paper. She was taking her nap. But as soon as she heard some paper, it was all over. All over. Okay, now where's mine? Hope y'all have a wonderful Shabbat. Shabbat Shalom. And shop with us at the Chick Babes and Fur Baby Boutique.myshopify.com. Also, we will be reopening our online beauty supply, which is Luxe Elite Nails, Hair Extension, and Lashes. And we just started a new business ventures where we will be selling all sports and athletic gear, as well as the pre-workout supplements for your fitness regimes. Y'all know I go to the gym too. And the name of it is Luxe Suave Fitness Wear. Okay, it's for men and women. I am so excited. So y'all, yes, I am booked and busy. I am booked and busy. Y'all, I'm looking for my clicker. Is it buried in here somewhere? Coco, do you have it? No, she don't got it. Okay, y'all, you know what? If you don't have one of these that goes with your tripod, get you one. Get your tripod that has the clicker. Okay. So thanks for watching, you all. Y'all, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the videos by Chick Babes and Chick Fur Babies. And if you have not joined, join with us so you can catch exclusive content, travel, fashion, home, cooking. We do it all. Yes, beauty. Okay. So don't miss out on this exclusive content coming very, very soon. Shabbat Shalom.